Welcome. If you want to be among the first to know about new job opportunities, enabling push notifications for job alerts on LinkedIn is a must. Today, I'll show you how to set this up on your PC, following the latest LinkedIn update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. Click on the Me icon, which is your profile picture. This opens a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. This section manages all the ways LinkedIn keeps you updated, from messages to job alerts. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Searching for a Job. Click to expand it, then select Job Alerts. Here, you'll see all the options for how LinkedIn notifies you about new jobs that match your interests. To make sure you never miss out, look for the option labeled Push Notifications. Toggle this on. This means whenever a new job alert is triggered, you'll receive a notification directly on your desktop, even if you're not currently browsing LinkedIn. That's it. You've now enabled push notifications for job alerts on LinkedIn. From now on, you'll be instantly notified whenever a job that matches your criteria is posted, giving you a head start in your job search. If you ever want to adjust how often you get these alerts or change the notification type, you can always return to the same settings area and customize your preferences. LinkedIn allows you to choose between email, app notifications, or both. And you can set the frequency to daily or weekly depending on your needs. Stay ahead in your job search by keeping these notifications active. Good luck and happy job hunting.